Welcome to Tech Beast. Today we're diving into the world of video editing with the new Mac Mini M4. Are you ready to see how this compact powerhouse handles Final Cut Pro 11? Let's get started. The Mac Mini M4 might be small, but it packs a serious punch. With a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and up to 32GB unit, this little machine is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Performance specs. The 10-core CPU features 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, providing a perfect balance for multitasking and heavy-duty processing. The 10-core GPU ensures smooth rendering and playback, while the 16-core neural engine accelerates machine learning tasks. Final Cut Pro 11 compatibility. Final Cut Pro 11 is a professional video editing software that requires macOS 14.6 or later and a Metal-capable graphics card. The Mac Mini M4 meets these requirements and more, making it an ideal choice for video editors. Real-world performance. Whether you're working on 4,000 projects, adding complex effects, or color grading, the Mac Mini M4 handles it all with ease. The hardware-accelerated ray tracing ensures realistic lighting and shadows, bringing your visuals to life. So there you have it. The Mac Mini M4 is more than capable of powering your video editing needs with Final Cut Pro 11. Its compact design, powerful performance, and affordability make it a fantastic choice for content creators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.